Carry out the following actions on a table or in a comfortable environment, and not at heights or in otherwise precarious or dangerous positions. Check that all the parts to assemble are present. Insert the components of the connector on the IF cable as shown. Insert the heat shrink sleeve. Place the O-ring onto the clamp nut the correct way up and slide it onto the cable. Place the outer sleeve on the cable. Cut first the dielectric and then the cable jacket to the length shown in the assembly instructions. Make the cut perpendicular to the cable, taking care not to cut into the braid underneath. Fold back the braid onto the jacket of the cable. Insert the provided flaring tool under the cable jacket and braid and flare them so as to be able to insert the inner sleeve. Slide the inner sleeve onto the cable until the flange comes into contact with the braid. Use the flaring tool to push the inner sleeve. Trim the excess braid. Cut the central conductor to the length as per the assembly instructions. Round off the end of the central conductor to make it easier to insert. Bring the outer sleeve and the clamp nut into contact with the inner sleeve. Insert the body of the connector, taking care that the central conductor is properly centered. Screw the clamp nut to the body of the connector and tighten it with the spanners. To correctly tighten the connector, you must hold it still and rotate the clamp nut. Position the heat shrink sleeve over the body of the connector and heat it until it fully adheres.